Hello, welcome back. Hope everybody's well. Right, for a little update. It's getting late, it's about 9:30, something like that. And I thought I'd get the camera, grab the camera and have a chat. First thing I want to say is thank you to everybody who commented and watched the No More Mr. Nice Guy video. There's been some real good support there. Not only for what I was on about, the main thing of the chat, the film was about, but also for the depression side. It's been fantastic. Thanks for all the support. It's been great, and it's been nice to have people comment on the video who never commented before, and yeah, it's been really positive. I didn't think it'd be that like that. So yeah, it's good. It's nice. Keep it up. Keep commenting. You know, it's nice to get the comments. I don't always get time to comment back or even put the, you know, like a heart or whatever it is you do. I don't always get chance to do that because I'm normally out when it does it, always in the middle of the night if it's from America or somewhere like that. Plus my phone's going did all the bloody time, so half the time you don't take notice, do you? But the support has been great, and if you haven't watched that and you're already subscribed to my channel, please go and watch it so you understand what's happening. Yeah, mainly because the way I'm going to change how I film stuff. I think a lot of people were expecting a big change and lots of bad language. That's not what's happening. If you've seen like the trolley video and stuff, they've been filmed, the welding cart I should say, they've been filmed after that video. So yeah, I think everything you've seen since that video has been, I don't know whether it's one or two videos, but it's been after that. So it ain't changed that much. I just want to be more free when I'm filming like I am now, because this is when I'm just rambling on, all the crap will come out, you know. But like I say, thank you so much for your support, and that's been fantastic. And like I say, if you haven't seen it, go and watch it please, so you understand what's going on. And talking about that, I am going to do a video about the depression I've been suffering with, because I think sometimes there's certain little things what might let somebody else know that they might go, oh, hang on, yeah, that's what I've got. I'm like that, you know. It might help me. You don't have to watch it if you're not interested in that sort of thing. But I think for men, there's not a lot out there for us, especially in my age group and older. I think the younger generation understand. They've got more into this mental health stuff than what we have. But I've known for quite a while that I've had this. It's just got me down. Yeah, and talking about that, I haven't watched any channels with lawnmowers in. I know it's going to sound silly now, but any channels with lawnmowers in, I haven't watched it for at least 3 weeks, 4 weeks, maybe something like that. And that's because if I watch lawnmowers or anything to do with lawnmowers or small engines on YouTube, or even my own stuff it actually makes me feel sick. That's how it affects you, so it's daft little things. Well, it's quite good because it actually meant that I've actually watched a few channels in the last week what are different, and you know, it doesn't hurt to have a look around to see what it's about. But I am getting back to it. Yesterday I managed to watch, well, that's quite good actually. I watched Mick, he was live, and Roy was live. And obviously I had a chat with, I had a few words with Luke, so it was good. Peter Jacko didn't join in, but I believe Jacko's having his own problems at the moment with work and stuff. So Jacko, if you want to chat, you know who I am. Just, you know where to find me, sort of thing. So yeah, do that. Yeah. So anyway, let's stop talking crap about that. I've started 3 more projects. They're mini moto projects. You won't see them until August. They're already scheduled in. So you won't see them until August, but I want to get a fair bit of them done because I don't want no projects that are not finished. You know, I've got bad enough doing Charlotte, you know, Project Charlene. So these are mini moto projects. And I know a lot of you go, oh, I hate my mini motos, but it's mainly one of them is mainly to do with show you how the engine works and how we can get this engine to perform more and more. So it's starting off very basic, but hopefully by the end of the project we'll have something done to get some more power. I'm going to try to get as much power as I can out of this little 2-stroke engine. But like I say, it might interest people, it might not. I don't know. I'm just doing it because it's fun for me, you know. So I've started a fourth project tonight on the mini motors, but that is just basically because I need something to put the engine in. Because I can't just test it on a bench. It don't prove nothing, does it? So I've had to make another thing up to not start another thing tonight. Anyway, I can't tell you what it is because it's in the project, wouldn't it? But yeah, but there is one going up, the video going up Sunday, hopefully, and that will be just telling you a little bit about how this 2-stroke mini motor engine works. You'll see it Sunday, so I'm not going to ramble on because it's a waste of time. And it does take me about half an hour. I worked it out about half an hour for every minute I film, so it's about half an hour for every one thing to be uploaded. So you know, there's no point rambling about it. The welding cart, wow, that's fantastic. That's a game changer, I think, for me anyway, because now the welder's in the middle of the room, in the middle of the workshop, and because it's high, I can reach anywhere in the workshop. But I can obviously move it back. I still have to move back and forwards for the length, but sideways is fantastic. So that's been £28 well spent. Like I say, the video was only putting it together and it's done for a bit of a laugh because I had to put it together and I thought I'd do the video on it, you know. But yeah, it's worth the money, well worth the money. And yeah, so I'm happy with that. Project Charlene, I've done bits and pieces on, but I haven't filmed it. I've got the V8, the V8 on it, said yeah, it'd be nice with a V8 on it. The V-twin on it, 18 horsepower. But I'm playing with the idea of, I've got this thought in my head about having, instead of the single inlet carb it's got on it, taking it off and putting 2 pit bike carbs on it, and then running snorkels, and making a manifold up to run a snorkel further back. Whatever happens, you've got to have a snorkel. So, but I'm thinking about these 2 carbs. I'll make my mind up, and there's things going on that. And watch out as well, because we've hit just over 750 subscribers, which is fantastic. I think Mick will be catching us and overtaking us very, very shortly. That'll be good. Yeah, so we're going to have the competition very, very shortly, so look out for that. I'm not too sure when I'm going to put that up. I might actually do that in a minute. I might do that next. Yeah, I don't really know what else has been happening. So I've been at Coast this week and done a bit more wiring on his workshop, stuff like that. I'm working on a big old hater LT324, what is like a council. It is an ex-council lawnmower. I believe it's similar sort of thing to what Luke's got, mowers and stuff. I'm not quite sure what one he's got. But it's a big old machine. I'll put pictures of it up on Twitter, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to film now. I might see if I'm going to be there first thing tomorrow morning. I'm going to be there for about an hour, so perhaps I'll get a bit of footage on it then, depending. I'll ask him. Because he's in the stables at the moment, so I don't know if he'd want me filming in there or not. There's not a lot in there, it's only that, so might be able to get away with it. What else is happening? Like I say, I've got about 40 videos all lined up to go on. I just haven't been able to get myself into the mood to do it. Because the trouble is, I can put the films up, but then if I'm not in the mood to respond to the comments back, or you know, then it makes it a little bit awkward, doesn't it, as well? People get put off. So yeah, anyway, I think that's enough. I just want you to know, let you know that I'm still here, still putting videos up, and I really appreciate the comments on the other videos. So thanks a lot. It means a lot to me. And like yesterday, it was quite nice with Roy and Mick having a bit of a laugh and a bit of a joke, mainly about DVDs, eh? I can't wait to get Mick's DVD, by the way. Anyway, thanks for watching all the usual sort of stuff. If you like this sort of stuff, I doubt you do, subscribe, ring the bell, you know what I'm saying, all the usual stuff, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now. Right, hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well and the usual sort of stuff. Just want to do a little update type thing. Right, first of all, I want to say hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well. Just thought I'd do a little update type thing. You hear that? There's a camera trying to focus because it's a bit of a funny lighting at the moment. Yes, I think that's going to hit the outer.